with family and friends.
Together we'll stand, and in the end, hand in hand, we will get there. Jordan, I feel sad that these mobile columns are going to be gone after 9 August. They look so grand and special when we see them in the NDP review.
Ayo, Dr. Bill Sotong, I told you last week already. On Saturday 10 August, these big tanks will be moving to 5 heartland locations. So we can watch them closely and hear their loud roars.
Oh, do you tell me already? Oops, where are they driving to? Back to army camp?
No, not army camp. They will be going to Geylang Serai, Punggol, Bishan, Woodlands, and Jurong East. It's so exciting!
Oh,
Dr. Bill, do you understand?
yeah lah, I know lah. Wait, are we just watching these big tanks on 10 August? It's a Saturday.
Dr. Bill Sotong is not a Sotong after all. You are right. There will be fun activities and games in all the heartland locations, including fireworks. Which location do you want to know more?
Tell me more about Bishan.
This place is going to wow you with drones swarming in the sky. You can even make your own boat and bring it home. You can also spot a huge boat display.
How about Punggol? My cousin stays there.
Oh, Punggol will have traditional children games, food and drinks of the past, and stage performances. You can also be one of the 10,000 people to make a Singapore Book of Records just by tossing this paper ball.
Oh yes, my uncle lives in Geylang Serai. Can you tell me what's happening there?
We can make items such as tote bags, miniature clay art magnets, and DIY paper tanks. Also, there are mega icons on display such as the old-time playground, kaleidoscope house, and Changi Airport Control Tower. Wait, are you trying to trick me to tell you everything?
Tell me more about Woodlands, Ken.
Woodlands is doing a mini NDP contingent parade and singing of national anthem. The parade is not by the army guys, but by school students and the Merdeka generation elders. There is a concert by Mediacorp artists, and you can bring home National Day handicrafts too.
Okay, last one, I promise. Jurong East.
Don't smoke me lah. This location is the last one already. But since you're Dr. Bill Sotong, I will tell you. Jurong East will have carnival games and performance too. Cause this year is Singapore Bicentennial, it will showcase our Singapore icons of the past, like Some Sway Woman, Village House, and Sir Stamford Raffles. We can also pen down our well wishes on cards to help in fundraising. You can follow at NDPeeps on Facebook or Instagram to know the types of mobile column parking at each location and travelling routes. We can watch the live streaming of the mobile column movement on NDP website. It is a 360-degree footage, so it's going to be an eye-opener.
Serious? NDP website has live streaming. First time. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm looking at the NDP's Facebook page. Don't want to miss out in any information. Hi everyone. You can follow us at 3 Million Thoughts and watch our IG stories on 10 August. See you!